हेलो एवरीवन। तो ये एसएससी में पूछे जाने वाले 500 मोस्ट रिपीटेड वर्ड वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन की जो सीरीज हम बना रहे हैं उसमें ये थर्ड वीडियो है। यहाँ हम 101 से लेकर 150 तक कवर करेंगे वन वर्ड सब्स्टिट्यूशन। सो लेट्स बिगिन। पहला वर्ड है एथनोलॉजी, द साइंटिफिक स्टडी एंड कंपैरिजन ऑफ ह्यूमन रेस, मानव जाति विज्ञान। एक्सोनरेट, to officially state that somebody is not responsible for something that he has been blamed for. बरी करना। Extravagant, spend a lot of money using a lot of something that you can afford or that is necessary. फिजूल खर्च। Fauna, all the animals living in an area or in particular period of history. पशु वर्ग। Fratricide, the crime of killing your brother, sister. भातृघातक। Glutton, a person who eats too much. खाऊ। Hypochondriac, spelling है इसकी HYPOCHONDRIAC, worried all the time about your health and believe that you are ill, sick when there is nothing wrong with you. रोग भ्रामी। Hypocrite, a person who pretend to have moral standards, opinion that they do not actually have. पाखंडी। Immigrant, a person who come to a country where they are not born in order to settle there. उप्रवासी। Inaudible, that you cannot hear. अश्राव्य। Incredible, impossible, difficult to believe. अविश्वसनीय। Indefatigable, never getting up or getting tired of doing something. अथक। Indigenous, originating or occurring naturally in the place or a country where found, या फिर native बोलेंगे, स्वदेशी। Ineffiable, too great, beautiful to describe in words, अवर्णीय। Intestate, having made no legal will, बिना वसीयतनामा मरा हुआ। Lexicographer, a person who writes and edits dictionaries, कोशकार। Manuscript, a copy of a book, piece of music, etc. before it has been printed, हस्तलिपि। Martyr, spelling है MARTYR, a person who suffers very much or is killed because of his religious, political beliefs, शहीद। Matricide, the killing of one's mother, मातृहत्या। Mortuary, a place, room, building in which dead bodies are kept before they are buried, cremated. Savgri, narcissist, spelling है NARCISSIST, a person who admires himself, herself too much, especially his appearance. आत्मरतिक। Omnivores, eating all type of food, plant and meat, सर्वभक्षक। Opaque, not clear enough to see through, अपारदर्शी। Pacifist, a person who believes that war is violent and are always wrong, शांतिवादी। Parable, a short story that teaches a spiritual lesson, especially one of those told by Jesus as recorded in the Bible, नीति कथा। Philistine, a person who, spelling है इसकी PHILISTINE, a person who does not like, understand art, literature, music, etc. अशिक्षित। Plagiarism, प्लेजरिज्म की स्पेलिंग है PLAGIARISM, an act of copying another's ideas, words or work and pretend that they are your own, साहित्यिक चोरी। Polygamy, a custom of having more than one wife at the same time, बहुविवाह। Psychology, a scientific study of mind and how it influences behavior, मनोविज्ञान। Recluse, spelling है RECLUSE, a person who lives alone and likes to avoid other people, वैरागी। Regicide, the crime of killing a king, queen, राज्य हत्या, राजहत्या। Sanatorium, a place like a hospital where patients who have a lasting illness, who are getting better after an illness, are treated, आरोग्य निवास। Secular, living amongst ordinary people rather than in the religious community, government not connected with religious or spiritual matters, धर्म निरपेक्ष। Soliloquy, a speech in a play in which character who is alone on the stage speaks his/her thought, आत्मभाषण। Suicide, the act of killing yourself deliberately, आत्महत्या। Translucent, allowing light to pass through but not transparent, परभाषी। transparent, allowing you to see through it, glass, etc. पारदर्शक, wreath, spelling it WREATH, an arrangement of flowers and leaves, placed on graves, worn on head, hung on doors or Christmas decoration, especially in the circular shape. Puspanjali, abdicate, to give up the position of being king, queen. Tyagna, affable, pleasant, friendly and easy to talk to. Milansar, ambidextrous, able to use both hands equally well. अभ्यहस्त, दोनों हाथ का कुशल से उपयोग. Amphibian, an animal that can live both on land and the water. Cold-blooded vertebrate, typically living on land but breathing in water. Avyachar Jantu, anarchist, a person who believes that law and government are not necessary. Arajaktawadi. Apathy, the feeling of not being interested in or enthusiastic. Udasinta, archipelago. Okay, spelling है इसकी ARCHIPELAGO. A large body of water with many islands. द्वीप समूह. Asylum, a protection that a government gives to people who have left their own country because they were in danger for political reasons. Or a hospital where people who were mentally ill could be cared for, often for a long time. शरणास्थल और अस्पताल. Audible, that can be heard clearly, सुनाई देने योग्य. Authentic, made or done in a traditional or original way, विश्वसनीय. Autobiography, a biography of yourself, आत्मकथा. Blasphemy, behavior, language that insults, shows a lack of respect for God, religion. ईश निंदा. सो यहाँ तक हमने कंप्लीट किया 100 से 150 और नेक्स्ट पार्ट में हम कंप्लीट करेंगे 151 टू 200. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, कमेंट करिए और अगर आपको हमारे साथ जुड़े रहना है तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए. थैंक यू सो मच.